Today we will be looking at a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 405 different strategies with 130 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 304 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,049 indicators, with 438 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a crypto scalping strategy. And so this is an updated video on the crypto scalping strategy that I mention in most of the videos that I do. This is using the Academy of Forex indicators custom indicators. There's two of them that currently have on screen. And so we'll just run through them real quick and take a look at the settings and then see how this updated strategy actually works. And so the first indicator obviously is the standard Academy of Forex indicator, this one right here. You would find that under your invite only indicators right here, and that is the version 11.7.24. I know a lot of you get concerned about what version I'm using versus what version you're using, but most of the time any version change is going to be just small little tweaks that aren't really going to have a significant difference in the overall strategy or the performance of the indicator. So if your version is a little bit different, don't stress over it. The next indicator we have on screen, which you will also have access to when you get access to the Academy of Forex indicator, is the ATR candle tracking indicator. And so that's going to be this one right here. And so, like I said, you'll get access to that one as well. Now we'll just go through a quick rundown of the modifications. Let's just start with the ATR candle tracking. So the modifications we'll make is you're going to turn off the outer bands. You're going to change the ATR band multiplier right here to 0.8. And then you'll go ahead and just turn off the paint candle options right there. Everything else should be on the default setting. Go ahead and click OK. And now it should basically give you an upper and lower band in red and green. We'll jump into the Academy of Forex indicator here. And so what we'll do is all these settings right here stay the same. Go ahead and turn off the buy and sell signals right here. Scrolling down from there, you're going to turn off the band break ATR candles right here. You're then going to scroll down a little bit farther here to the mean reversion settings. You're going to change this length right here to 100. And then everything else here should be on the default settings. And so you shouldn't need to modify any of those. Under the styles, just double check that the level right here and this level here is both at 65 and negative 65, and click OK, and everything should look as I have on screen now. And so everything as far as the strategy goes should be the same except for one modification. So if you've been using it and have been holding off since the US elections when crypto went a little bit wild, this will resolve that issue and give you a little bit more clear picture of where to place your stops when using the crypto scalping strategy. And that's what the ATR bands are for. And so just like before, we're looking for the MR line. So if I zoom in a little bit tighter here, this line right here is the MR line. And so we're looking for the MR line to either be above the zero line or below the zero line. In this case, it is above the zero line right here. And then we're looking for the inverse Fisher transform, which is this ribbon right here. We want it come back and we want the larger of the two lines to break down below the negative 65 mark like it does right here. We're then looking for 2 green candles in a row to form. Technically, you could have jumped into this one just a little bit earlier right here, but it wasn't quite there to the negative 65. And so this one right here is an actual full setup according to the exact rules. And so you would enter a trade right here. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to use the ATR bands to set where our stop would be. And of course, it's not a traditional stop because we use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons. And that strategy has allowed me to be able to take 38 winning trades in a row using this strategy, a 100% win rate over almost 3 months now with a really nice account growth. And so what you do here is the position this lower, so you're looking for the last lowest point of the ATR band right here, and that would be where you would set your quote unquote stop, and then let the position go from there. So the target now, since this used to be the 80 to 180 rule, and so basically when you do this here, you can see this 4.26% right here. So the rule used to be that the stop needed to be within either the 80. So you can see right there, now the number is 81% and couldn't be any larger than 180. And so now you see that the volatility in the Cardano really blows that out of the water. And so this will allow you to still trade this strategy and make it a little bit more universal and adaptive to what the crypto pair is doing. And so the 80 to 180 rule doesn't exist anymore. You'll use this to determine your stop and therefore your entry. And the new take profit is standard take profit. Used to be 50 pips, I think 55 pips maybe. Now we are aiming, I'm sorry, I always say pips, ticks. 55 ticks, not pips. A tick, if you use the measuring tool to measure up, this is a tick. So this would be 288 ticks right here. So for every one is 1 tick, not a pip. I think in the last video I said pip almost every single time. It is a tick. And so in this case, we are aiming for a 200 tick initial take profit. And this has been able to work out quite reasonably well over quite a few trades right now, especially with the current volatility. And so 200 tick take profit would put it right here. And if we play this forward, you can see in the very next candle it comes up, getting us to our full take profit. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. All right, and we'll go ahead and do an update on the live trading account. Now keep in mind that this was an example of a long trade right here. For a short trade, you would do just the opposite of that. And so pretty easy setup, really not complicated at all. And so we closed out the 38th winning trade in a row just the other day, maintaining that 100% win rate using this strategy, this crypto scalping strategy, and the position management strategy. Again, it's a very powerful combination. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot up of the 38th trade that we closed out on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. This combination in backtesting did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. And so again, it's very profitable, and we're closing in on almost 3 months of 100% profitability. And again, a really nice account growth using this combination. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can go to our Discord and read the money back guarantee right here, so that way you can take a look at that if you're interested in more information on that. All right, so that's it for this updated strategy here. Hope that's helpful. That'll get you back into trading the Cardano strategy here without worrying about the volatility in the market, and get you back to making some money. So that's it. Like I said, we'll go ahead and end the video here. We'll move on to the next video from here.